Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video you will see how to make herbal bath powder at home. I bought all of these ready-made powdered ingredients from Ayurvedic medicine store. It is easy to make, 100% natural and zero chemicals. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. You will need some basin. Basin is easily available at any grocery store. Some green gram flour. Buy green gram and grind them into a powder like this. Next you will need some rose petals powder. I bought this in a powdered form. You can also make this at home by taking a handful of rose petals, dry them under sun for 4 to 5 days. Finally grind them into a powder like this. Next you will need some white turmeric. Now this ingredient seems to be new for some people, but this is actually easily available and has been used in our skincare since a long ago. I bought them into a powdered form. You can also buy the old white turmeric and grind them. Please do not skip this ingredient because it has amazing skin treating properties. Without this, there is no herbal bath powder. You will need some vetiver roots powder. Similarly, you can also buy the roots and grind them. Lastly, you will need some kasturi turmeric powder. All of these ingredients are skin friendly and has no side effects. Take a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of basin, 1 tablespoon of rose petals powder, 1 tablespoon of green gram, 1 tablespoon of vetiver roots powder, 1 tablespoon of white turmeric and 1 tablespoon of kasturi manjal. Mix them well. Put this powder in a storage container and keep it in your bathroom. While bathing, take required amount of the powder into your palm and required quantity of water to it. You can also add curd, fermented rice water or rose water instead of plain water. Mix them well and apply it onto your body. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off with water. This bath powder is effective and shows results from the first usage itself. It cleans the body without drying it out. It moisturizes the skin, adding a natural glow to it. It brightens the skin and also reduces unwanted hair growth. Its antibacterial properties kills germs and prevents bacterial infections. It scrubs away the dead cells. It controls body odor with regular usage. If you want to know how to prepare herbal face wash powder, click on the I button above. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.